Hi, Bob Baumann, Edward Baumann Clothiers. Today we're going to talk about dry cleaning. When I was at the Custom Tailors Convention back in about 07, 08, the main topic was dry cleaning. How often should you dry clean a suit? How often should you dry clean a pair of pants? The master tailors, the old guys, they said never. I feel the most you should ever dry clean something is probably about 2 times a year. When you sweat, it's wool. Wool breathes. Wool actually airs out. That's why you can go to a restaurant or a cigar lounge, come out, it smells like cigars, hang it in the guest bathroom, don't hang it in your closet. Tomorrow, everything will smell like cigars. Put it in the guest bathroom, come back 2 days from now, it will smell as fresh as can be. You will not be able to smell a cigar. That being said, they air out. If you spill something on it, spot clean it. And most importantly, never clean one piece without the other. If you clean a pant 5 times, you don't clean the jacket, it's going to be 2 totally different colors. So, have your clothes pressed, don't have them dry cleaned except 2 times a year. Thanks and keep watching.